after recording the platform feeder in the backyard from a rake pole, I put the camera below the bluebird box in the front by the mailbox and captured a pair building a nest. This is one of the favorite bluebird boxes in my big backyard, and it was painted by students a long time ago, and I've repaired it and repaired it and repaired it, and it continues to draw a pair every year. They've been a lot of fun to watch. Sometimes when they want to nest too close to the house, they see their reflection in the window, and the male will bonk at it because it's like seeing a reflection of a equally as competent bird as he. And often the female would be seen sitting on the front porch rail just watching him. So when I first got my Canon camera, that was one of the things that I recorded, was the bluebird competing against his reflection in the front glass window. And I think they noticed the GoPro down there, but they go on with their business as usual. I think the GoPro will do well down by the mailbox. Because of the weather and because of the point of view, you don't see their gorgeous colors. And they have a beautiful song, so I hope I hear that in the background. Evidently they work together to build a nest. They're very alert. They can see me coming from the top of the hill, and they go find somewhere else to perch for a little while and keep an eye on us. My cursor's jumping again. Seems like this was maybe about 5 minutes of video footage. We're watching a movie about firemen with Josh Brolin and Jennifer Connelly. Once again, I went down to get the GoPro thinking that the angle was poor because what if the birds pooped on it? But evidently, most animals don't poop near where they nest, as I learned from the squirrels and from the book I've been reading that I finished by Rob Dunn about evolutionary ecology. There might be some good wingspan snapshots to catch here. And feet up in the air. And so, to end this little Indycam video clip, I have 2 pictures of bluebirds that I've drawn. I think I'm going to have to draw more.